Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Ashley Van Dyke with Advantage Software, and on today's video, I'm going to show you a new Python plugin called Dictionary Quick Reference. Before we get started, make sure that you like and share this video, and if you're not already subscribed, press the subscribe button and turn on notifications so that you'll be notified when we publish new content. Now, let's take a look at Dictionary Quick Reference. You can find Dictionary Quick Reference in the Plugin Store. In Eclipse 12, the Plugin Store has moved to the Plugins menu at the top of Eclipse, and then you can go to Manage Plugins. I'll click on the Available tab to see all of the plugins I don't already have installed. Next, I'll scroll down and select Dictionary Quick Reference. I'll click Download, and once the download is complete, I'll select Dictionary Quick Reference once again and press Enable. I'll press OK, and I'll be prompted to restart Eclipse. I'll go ahead and do so. And now if I return to my plugin manager, we see that Dictionary Quick Reference is downloaded, enabled, and ready to go. And if we take a look at the description, we see that this is a dockable bar for quick dictionary editing, which allows me to view, add, delete, and modify entries. It's going to add a few things to the drop-down menu. First, under Window, View, there will be View Dictionary Bar. And then in the plugin menu are several plugin commands that are also associated with the plugin. Now, these are things that you may want to assign keystrokes for depending on your use case. You can also designate which dictionary is shown in your Dictionary Quick Reference bar. And for that, we're going to go to the plugin manager, Dictionary Quick Reference, and then Configure. And that's actually the window we're in right now. I'm going to highlight Dictionary Quick Reference and click the Configure button. And here we see that I can either pick from one of the dictionaries that are already listed, or I can specify a different dictionary name. And so by default, it'll have all of my regular dictionaries except for my main dictionary listed. And so I can choose from a dictionary that has the same name as the job, the dictionary that is in the job slot, or any of the 1 through 8 user dictionaries. And if you choose specific dictionary name and press OK, you will get a list of all of the dictionaries in your job folder. And so, for instance, I can select my on-the-fly dictionary. In this case, I'm in a voice user. I'll press OK and OK. And so I can begin a real-time file. And I can begin dictating. And if I go to Window, View, I can choose View Dictionary Bar. And my on-the-fly dictionary comes up. Now, I can make the text in this window bigger by going to User Settings, Display, and changing the default dialog zoom. And so I'll make this a little bit bigger. And I can make the window itself a different size or shape by clicking and dragging after I get the double-sided arrow on any of the sides. Now, within this window are all of the different commands that you can use. So I can add an entry, I can delete an entry, and I can change an entry. These are the same commands that you'll find under Plugins, Dictionary Quick Reference. And they're available within the plugin window itself. Now, this window is a dockable window. I can click on it and drag it to the right in order to dock it on the right-hand side of my window. And so at any time, I can choose an entry, and I can either delete it or change it. I can add a new entry, and if necessary, I can select an entry and delete it. This is a great way to keep an eye on your on-the-fly dictionary, your job dictionary, or any other dictionary that you've made that you'd like to reference. And since this is a dockable window, you can pop it in or out at any time, and you can assign commands to the View option if you'd like. So I can go to Window, View, and View Dictionary Bar to show and hide it, but this is also something I can add a keystroke for if I'd like. And so I can go to User Settings, Edit, Keyboard, Add, and in this window I can go to Window, View, and choose View Dictionary Bar, and then assign a keystroke to it. And so for this instance, I'll go ahead and set this to Tab just as an example. And when I press Tab, the Dictionary Quick Reference bar opens and closes. And since it's a dockable window, if I do dock this window, when I hit Tab, it's going to open and close in its docked state. So wherever you leave this window is where it will appear if you do choose to show and hide it. This plugin is quick and easy to begin using. requires very little setup, and can be a huge boon to many reporters and many workflows. If you think you'd like to try it today, visit the Plugin Manager and download Dictionary Quick Reference. Don't forget that Advantage Software offers anytime support. Our friendly and helpful staff is available for any question anytime. If you need immediate assistance, call us at 772-288-3266. For less urgent requests, email us at support@eclipsecat.com. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Have a great day!